Good day everyone, my name is Laurelyn May Mabaylan Hinautan, currently working as Academic Administrator, the English Playgroup in Early Years Department in Kuwait. My study is about experiences of success among student handicraft entrepreneurs. Rationale of the study. This study focuses on the experiences of success among student entrepreneurs in handicraft. This study is anchored on the philosophy of appreciative inquiry as a research design with emphasis on the discovery and dream phases. It also builds on the innovation theory of Joseph A. Schumpeter as stated by Tyrone 2021, who postulated that every entrepreneur is born with a strong desire to establish his own enterprise. In addition, the study is supported by the process of stage theory of Venkat Rao as cited by Tyrone 2021, who holds that mastery of competences is the best way to start a business. The study has research questions. Objective. Describe the experiences of success of student handicraft entrepreneurs. Number 1. What elements serve to facilitate the creation and implementation of handicraft entrepreneurship? Number 2, how they see themselves as handicraft entrepreneurs in the near future. Methodology. The study used a qualitative research design, particularly appreciative inquiry. Quali research deals with responses on how people make sense of their world and the experiences they have. Merriam 2009. The study used purposeful sampling, which involves the determination and selection of individuals who had salient knowledge and experience with the phenomena, and they were selected based on their willingness to participate. Creswell and Plano Clark 2011. The inclusion criteria were as follows. Number 1, the participants must be at least 18 years old. Number 2, they must be students who have specialized in handicraft since high school. Number 3, they must have ongoing handicraft entrepreneurship. Number 4, they must have sample finished products. Ethical considerations were observed in the conduct of the research. After securing the certificate of approval from the Lourdes College Research Ethics Committee, and after securing their consent of the participant, data were collected through in-depth interview and focus group discussion through the Zoom platform in November 2022. Proving questions were given depending upon the responses of the participants. The interviews were done for around an hour for each participant to enable them to share their experiences of success as student entrepreneurs. Documents such as pictures of their sample products were likewise given by the participants. Based on the responses, coding was done guided by the process of Saldania 2011. Then the decodes were clustered into categories, and from these categories, themes were generated. To observe trustworthiness, 4 techniques were employed, namely credibility, dependability, confirmability, and transferability. These are the results of 6 themes emerged from the responses, and this is the thematic model on experiences of success among student handicraft entrepreneurs. Results. These are 6 themes and categories. Number 1, empowering foundations, TLE-inspired experiences, train-based initiatives, and talents, passions optimized. Number 2, entrepreneurial mindset, customer-centered strategies, resource management, and resilience amidst risk. Number 3, enabling characteristics, joy and optimism, and creativity and imagination. 4, technology use, social media platform for marketing, and Excel spreadsheet for accounting and sharing purposes. 5, support structure, external and internal support. 6, flourishing business, new products and designs, and continuance of business. Discussion. Being empowered enables an individual to succeed. Mornix 2014 noted the importance of advertising and promotion to increase sales. Financial resources support entrepreneurial undertaking. Positive characteristics enable them to cope with the challenges and demands of the business environment. Social networks and support groups such as the family contribute to stimulating entrepreneurial actions to enhance their business. Kader 2016. Recommendations. The handicraft training course and their secondary education had a positive effect on them, enabling them to participate their skills with passion along with the trend of the time. They started the business and took risks and challenges of entrepreneurship. They secured their materials in practical ways and managed their business with sensitivity to their customers, aware of the risk that they have as current students in college. They envision to continue their business in the near future. The study confirms appreciative inquiry philosophy, which asserted that in every group, something works, according to Pender and Servat sa 1987. Process of stage theory Venkatrao as cited by Tyrone 2021, which holds that mastery of competencies is the best way to start a business. Innovation theory and process stage Joseph is computer as stated by Tyrone 2021, which provides the importance of entrepreneurs' strong desire and the pleasure of gaining experiences and their success. Recommendations for the students entrepreneurs to ensure the flow of the business. For the TLE teachers to continue to motivate the students to develop effective and relevant entrepreneurship education. For the TLE department members to initiate programs that establish the entrepreneurial culture in the institution. For the future researchers to consider doing a follow-up study to monitor the continuance of their entrepreneurial endeavor, and to conduct studies in another settings. These are the references. Impact or outcome of the study. It helps to strengthen ideas about the knowledge using the AI. Participants are satisfied and proud of the outcome of their success stories. That is the end of my study, and thank you for listening.